Let's make a power pigtail for the front front mounted amplifier. The amplifier of the Alpine for the rear speakers. Don't need much wire here. A little bit of length, but not anything crazy. I don't know what happened to my ideal strip masters, but these work too. I'm going to be using a Sumitomo 250 style. This is a Delphi weather pack crimper. Comes with the weather pack kit. I use it for pretty much all the wiring terminals. I think I'll go the next size up. The largest first. See how it crimps. Not far enough down, so we'll go down the next size. That's nice and secure. Just roll the insulation crimp over and squeeze it down. That little tab sticking up, little ear. Make sure the wire isn't right up against that like it was. I had to cut that off. So now, it should. That helps if I put it in the right way. Click. Click. Alright, power side's ready to go. Now I need to actually connect this. We've got to connect and crimp the car side, and I'm going to need 4 more of those. For the speaker connection. I'm gonna have to get some more ring terminals. This power wire runs straight to the battery. Make sure that has a good crimp on it. Alright, there's power, ground. These are all of the speaker leads. We need to crimp, let's see, the remote next. Come on. Now, let's see, before I hook up anything else here, let's see if this thing is actually going to turn on. It should. Yep. Okay, I've been having a problem with this connector. I'm not getting any output on either of them now. What is that? I should be getting static. Come on. Freaking wiring connector. Yep, that new one I got as a replacement has loose terminals. Come on, plug up. There we go. Don't know why. As soon as there's some back pressure on it, it does that. Well, this part is done. I need to zip tie this stuff up. And I need to put some heat shrink on this green 12-volt wire. And then I figure out what I want to do as far as keeping this thing from moving. It probably is not going to move around much with the carpet in here, so I may just leave it loose. Because there's a padding board that goes under here anyway. One down, 2 to go.